the most important thing about Deepali is that they have filed a criminal complaint in India. This is a case against Bill Gates for premeditated murder. And if worse comes to worse, and I think it is going to come to this, he's going to get the death penalty in India.
So this is the same case that I explained. The mother of Hitesh Kadve, who died after the first dose, his mother, Kiran Yadav, has filed this case. So initially she went to the police station. I said they did not, cooperate. Even she wrote to the authorities, the Director General of Police in Maharashtra, but she did not hear from them. So now she has approached court. So as per our settled law, if you don't hear from them for a month, a person is free to approach the court. So she has now, in her rights given to her by our constitution, she has filed a writ petition in the Bombay High Court. So in this, we have mentioned all the aspects, which we have discussed through our conversation right now about what these experimental vaccines are and what is the data that has already emerged is talking about it, and how these coercion around vaccine mandates resulted in loss of life of her son. Additionally, it also talks about this is not the first time that Bill Gates has endangered our lives. Way back in 2009, Bill Gates had also, through his NGO, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and entities related to his NGO, they had colluded with corrupt officials in ICMR and other entities, government entities, and they had conducted unauthorized clinical trials of HPV vaccines on tribal girls in Andhra Pradesh, now Telangana, and Gujarat. And in this experiment, 8 tribal girls have died. And several others have faced serious side effects. So at that time, there was very, uproar from all the corners of the company, from all corners of our country, and it was taken up. This matter was discussed in the parliament. A parliamentary standing committee was appointed, and it had come up with its report, which is called as the 72nd report, 72nd Parliamentary Committee report. It came out in August 2013. It is there on the website, and I request everyone to please read this report. So it is so clear, and it is stated in no mincing words. It has clearly stated that a CBI investigation by premier agency is needed on Bill Gates and his entities and the officials of ICMR. Because the way in which these trials were conducted, the way they infiltrated in the garb of like as though they had government approvals, or they were doing something which is a part of the government immunization program. They made those poor tribal girls believe that these people are giving them a medicine which otherwise is very costly, but which was given to them for free. And also they made a misleading statement to them that this was being given as a part of a national immunization program. So it was nothing of that sort. It was a clinical trial which was unauthorized, and it resulted in loss of 8 tribal girls and others who faced severe side effects. So this is not the first time. Now that case is in Supreme Court. The last hearing in this HPV trial case had happened in early 2018. So we need to find out why and where is the matter stuck? Why is it in the cold storage since then? Like after we started working around it, we also dug up all these facts as to what had happened. So it's like he is after our lives, and they see India as a country where people are not aware of their rights. So it's very easy to go and conduct clinical trials, and not people. There would not be any much problem if some people lose their lives, and they take disadvantage of this. So these are all the facts which are mentioned in this petition which you just read. So what is this? This is a murder by vaccine. So even Dr. Snehal Lunawat's family is also going to file a complaint. For them, it is a clear case of murder, because even the committee has come up with a finding that her death was due to vaccine. So there is no other way, but it is a murder, and these people need to be prosecuted now.